Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can individually edit sources on your TikTok Live Studio. So for instance, on the, let's say, link here or image, you're going to go to the settings. Wait, why can't I? Oh, right click, and here you can crop it, you can rotate it, you can center it to screen, bring forward, etc., etc. You can even pin it. You can even fit it to screen. And here you can make it so it's above everything else. And for like the links, it's for like, I guess, donation links. You can go to settings here and paste your link here. You can enable custom resolution, turn on send, and you can even see the preview. And once you're done with everything, just select apply. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.